There's one person you haven't met, and you're going to meet her in the next video. She's our general contractor.
Hey guys, I'm Natalya, and I'm the general contractor for this project.
Within about a week's time, this entire block will look massively different.
Now that we have our frames in place for the storefront, we're ready for our glass and for our new doors. There are some aspects of the storefront design that are aesthetic and some that are practical. The recessed entry is one of those practical reasons. So now, when you open the doors, they won't protrude past the face of the building and encroach on the sidewalk. Next time you see this storefront, it'll be all glass.
We're standing on the new mezzanine stair. If you guys remember from the last few videos, the stairs were actually over there. We've left them, and we're actually going to leave the brick like that because it provides historical context to the building. The reason we moved the stairs to the center is actually for fire code. Now we have a shorter distance to all the exits.
You might be wondering why there's a gap between the stair risers and treads and the wall. And that gap is actually for drywall so that it can be easily slotted in without having to cut it to match the shape of the stair. So things like this save time in the overall construction schedule.
We're adding 2 windows to the Pine Street side of the brewery building. The reason they're so important is because it actually ties both buildings together. So if you're in the brewery building, enjoying live music and beer, you can actually look right outside and see what's going on in the restaurant.
The demo of this wall was by no means easy. They had to cut through 9 inches of brick, double layer brick wall, and through rebar.
We've had a great week, lots of amazing progress. Special thank you to Eater LA, specifically Mona Holmes, for the epic write-up she did. We'll see you guys next time. This is our gas line. According to code in California, in the event of any earthquake, this, which is called a little firefighter, actually shuts off the gas to prevent any more gas from coming out.